E.D. Elixir is essentially an entire system that is designed to help men who suffer from erectile dysfunction. It features a number of sections that can help you to overcome this problem so you can have a fulfilling sex life. You will find all sorts of tips and tricks that will give you your vitality back. The elixir is a supplement that is made up of all natural ingredients that have been proven to help with erectile dysfunction. Who should buy E.D. Elixir? Any guy who suffers from erectile dysfunction should think about purchasing this system. If you have issues with low sex drive, this information can most likely help. It is also a great investment for guys who have low self-esteem due to problems with performance. If you aren't as good as you want to be in the bedroom, you can benefit from this product. Men who don't want to depend on expensive and potentially dangerous medications to treat their ED should also look into this offer. It can be of help to pretty much any guy who just wants to have a more pleasurable and fulfilling sex life as a whole. Quick overview of ED Elixir. ED Elixir is a powerful guide that teaches men how to restore their erections and regain control of their health, happiness, relationships, and sex life. The program starts off by covering everything there is to know about erectile dysfunction, including the conventional treatments, lifestyle habits that contribute to the problem, self-diagnosis tests, diet and more. Then, it puts all of your newfound knowledge into a simple step-by-step action plan that shows you easy ways to begin reversing ED. This includes easy steps, supplement recommendations, recipes, food lists and more. Here's a more detailed look at the program as a whole. Introduction. My personal battle with the ED demon. The night in Egypt that changed everything. Enter the elixir. Slaying the ED demon. For good. Chapter 1. 30 million and growing, the one club you didn't want to join. Defining erectile dysfunction. The medical definition of ED. International differences. ED is a wake-up call. Chapter 2. ED through the ages. A brief history of mankind vs. ED. Chapter 3. Cause of erectile dysfunction. Chapter 4. Identifying the problem and seeking answers. Is your root cause physical or mental? The erection self-test. Mental vs. physical ED. The difference. Common psychological causes of ED. Common physical causes of ED. Diabetes. Depression. High blood pressure, high cholesterol, low testosterone. Pornography. Excess weight in your circulatory system. Exercise and ED. Chapter 5. How erections happen. Chapter 6. Why ED drugs are not the answer. Side effects of ED drugs. Chapter 7. Optimizing your body to conquer ED. Let your body do its job. Why diets make you fail. Sneaky sugar bombs you never knew about. Watch what goes in your gas tank. How low-cal and sugar-free foods make you fatter. The role of nitric oxide. Food quality. Eating organic for your organ. The ugly truth about chicken. Chicken science. Fat, it's not all bad. The benefits of eating locally grown. Erection enemy, alcohol. Erection enemy, milk and dairy. Erection enemy, smoking. Smoking-related diseases. Science Corner, arteriosclerosis. Coffee, tea, and other caffeinated drinks. Chapter 9. The sex god mindset. Destroying your limiting beliefs. Chapter 10. Boosting testosterone naturally. Testosterone replacement therapy. Testosterone killer number 1, leptin. Testosterone killer number 2, cortisol. T-boosting herbs. Exercise hacks to boost your T levels. 6 exercise tips to supercharge your T levels. Foods that naturally boost your T levels. Foods that work against testosterone production. Chapter 11. Drugs that cause ED. Prescription drugs known to cause ED. Non-prescription drugs. Antidepressants and painkillers. Chapter 12. The ED Elixir. ED Elixir enhancers and alternate recipes. Passion milk. The winter fire libido booster. The romance enhancer. Brewing ED Elixir teas. General notes about the ED Elixir and its variations. Chapter 13. Putting together your ED reversing game plan. Achieving an alkaline state. Bonus chapter: Sexual Secrets of the Ancient Rulers. Mastering Your Jinkai. The Great Khan. Oysters and shellfish. Green leafy vegetables.